This story is about what? It's about
Crow.
what is
Crow.
this? Yeah,
It's a crow.
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 Now the crow sound is very rough, no? It always keeps saying correct. So what happened, no other bird wants to be friends with the crow. Okay. Whenever the crow goes to the sparrow says, "Hey, crow, you don't come to me. My ears start paining when you start shouting." Then, when it goes to the parrot, it will say, crow, crow, crow. No, no, no. Go, go, go. Away, away, away. Because my ears are paining. You start shouting. You don't talk. You don't speak. You only shout. So then the crow felt very bad. Will you like it when you have no friends? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Don't unmute. Give me a
Yeah.
thumbs up or thumbs down. No, na? So the same way, the crow also was not liking when it had no friends. The crow started feeling very bad. And then what happened? One day it prayed very hard. Oh, Bhagwan, please, I want some friends, or please let me be something else. So then the crow started praying, Oh, Bhagwan, please come to me, please, all my problems, all my problem. And then what happened? Suddenly one day, our smart little Gannu Raja came in. Who is this? Ganpati. You all know Ganpati, no? Raja came. And then what happened? Gannu Raja asked the crow, What happened, crow? What is your problem? So the crow said, I don't have any friends. I want a new friend. All my friends are only crows. So what did our Gannu Raja do, Gannu Raja said, that is a very serious problem. If you want to be friends with all other animals and birds, then you should look like them. So a crow said, Okay, then in that case, do one thing. Make me a peacock. So what did the crow say? You make me a peacock. Then I will become friends with the peacock. So Gannu Raja said, Okay, fine. Tomorrow in the morning when you wake up, you will become a peacock. All of you show your action like this, peacock. Yes. Very nice. A peacock. Now,
A
the
peacock.
peacock has beautiful feathers, no?
Peacock.
I request every one of you to please put yourself on mute. Thank you. Now the peacock has got beautiful feathers, no? The peacock has got beautiful feathers, no? Now, Nino Ajish, can you please tell me when does a peacock start dancing?
Raining.
Yes, when it starts raining.
Rain.
Yes. So then what happened? The next day in the morning, the crow woke up, and was a crow a crow? No, it became a peacock. And then, like a peacock, the crow started moving around. But then, have you seen a peacock? It has got those big feathers, no, at the back. So those feathers are very heavy. So, when the crow tried to walk like a peacock, it could not walk. It kept falling. Dubuk. Then again it will get up. It will start walking like a peacock. Again it will fall. Dubuk. Does that happen with you when you take a very heavy bag on your back? Do you fall? Do you go like this? Tapak, 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 like that? The same way, this peacock crow was also not able to walk properly. Then what did the crow say? No, 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 no. I don't want to be a peacock. It is very difficult. I cannot even walk like a peacock properly. So again it calls Gannu Raja. Then when Gannu Raja comes, so at that time the peacock crow tells Gannu Raja, Gannu Raja, I can't be a peacock. You know why? Because I cannot walk properly. Okay. So do one thing. You make me something else. So Gannu Raja says, okay, what do you want to become? So the crow said, this time you make me a parrot. Have you seen a parrot? Shakti, can you tell me what is the color of the parrot, Shakti?
Green.
Yes,
Green.
very
And
nice.
it's
Green color.
Green.
Yes.
Ma'am, green.
So this time what happened? He said, the crow said, make me not a green parrot, make me a multicolor, beautiful parrot.
Green.
So the crow said, okay. And then the next day, the crow became a squawk, 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 squawk,
Beautiful
a parrot,
Beautiful parrot.
a beautiful multicolored parrot. Yes, a very colorful parrot. Thank you so much. Now everybody please mute yourselves. Good girls and good boys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now what happened? As a parrot, the crow was feeling very happy and it was flying everywhere. Then it made friends also with all the other parrots. But this time what happened, when it got up, this time when the parrot felt hungry, it saw a red chili. Have you all seen red chili?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So this time when this parrot crow felt hungry, it saw a red chili and it ate a red chili. But when it bit the chili, he said, what is this? What is this? Oh my God, it is so hot. It is so spicy. I don't want this. Poo, 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 poo. And then it spat out the chili. Then it tried to eat peru. You know peru? Perekya? The guava?
Yes.
The fruit guava? Yes. So when it started eating the guava, at that time again what happened? All the seeds in the guava went and it got stuck inside the parrot crow's stomach. Then the stomach started paining and he said, Mommy, my stomach is paining. I don't want to be a parrot also now. Now this time, the crow started praying again. And then who came? Who came?
Ganesha.
Yes, our Gannu Raja, Ganesha.
Gannu Raja.
And now this time Ganesha said, now what happened, crow? What is your problem? You wanted to be a parrot. You even made friends with the parrot. Now why you're not happy? So then the crow said, no, I have problems. I cannot eat those chili and guava and all. My stomach is paining. So then he said, okay, fine. Then what do you want to become? So the crow said, make me a frog. Then in that way, frog will eat all the flies and all those things, no, which the crow also eats. So the crow will not have any problem with the food. So Gannu Raja said, okay. And the next day in the morning, what happened? The crow became a
He became
it became a frog. Yes. It became a frog. But this time, yes, transformed into frog. Now, this became a frog, but can you tell me what would be the problem faced by the frog now?
Frog should just get in the water.
Frog jumps in the water. And have you seen when the frogs come out? When do they start croaking? When it?
Night.
When it rains. Yes. So when it rains. Okay. This time when the frog started, our crow frog, this time see, what did it become? It became a crow frog. So first it was a crow peacock, then it became a crow parrot, now it became a crow frog.
Frog.
And then when it started raining, the crow started jumping here and there. The crow frog started jumping here and there and making noise. Rabbit, rabbit. But this time, you know what was the problem? Because it was raining, it was always getting wet. The frog was always getting wet. So because of that, some big problem happened. Yes, Binsi Lijo, you have a raised hand. Can you tell me what was the problem?
Don't know.
That was Praveena Rai. Snigdha Pradeep, you have a raised hand? No.
The crow is
What will happen if all of you keep playing and dancing in the rain for a long time?
you will get
Yes, we will catch cold.
and cold.
So, is this frog a real frog? No, no. It's a crow frog. So after some time, what happened? This one also got cold, and very soon he also started saying, "Rachoo, rachoo." Yes. So the crow also caught a cold now. So again the crow said, "Arey, what a big problem. Now I can't be a frog also." Then Gannu Raja came there again without the crow calling him. Because Gannu Raja knew the crow will have a problem. So Gannu Raja came and Gannu Raja asked, "What happened, Crow Froggy? You're not happy?" So what did our Crow Froggy say? No, I am not happy. Because I'm catching a cold. Achhi, I'm doing. So finally what happened? This time, the crow thought for a very long time, what should I become? What should I become? And finally he said, let me do one thing. Let me become a tortoise. Okay. So, yes, a tortoise. And this time when it became a tortoise, he said, now I will not have any problem. Even if it rains, I can go and hide inside my shell. So it will be very easy for me to handle. Okay.
Shell and home.
Yes. Thank you, Praveena Rai. Please put yourself on mute. Thank you. And this time when our crow frog became a crow tortoise, first it was feeling very happy. He said, yay, now nothing can affect me. I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. I'll be friends with all the turtles and tortoises all around and everything. But then after some days, again, it had one big problem. You know what? As a turtles and tortoise, they move very slowly, no? Yes, so Priya Keshav, very good. It is slow. Thank you, Devarchita. It is very slow. So finally, what happened? Whenever this tortoise got hungry, our crow tortoise got hungry, and when it sees food, it will slowly start crawling. And by the time it reaches food, somebody else will come and take it off. Somebody else will come and take it away. So every time it sees food, it will go there crawling, boop. By the time it reaches there, the food is gayab. Ayo Rama, now that was a bigger problem. It could not eat the food. So it started growing very hungry. Again it started, Gannu Raja save me, Gannu Raja save me, Gannu Raja save me. This time when Gannu Raja came, Gannu Raja was also very angry. What is this? Whatever you want, I keep giving you. But still, what is this? You're never happy. You're very greedy, I think. So, our crow tortoise said, no, I'm not greedy. I just want to make a lot of friends. That's why I'm trying to be different people and make friends with everyone. So then Gannu Raja said, okay, now you tell me, what do you want to become? Ab kya banna hai? Nip in the end. What do you want to be? So finally he said, do one thing. This time now, you make me an owl. Owl keeps flying and it is very fast. And everybody is a bit scared of owl. Plus, not only that, everyone says wise as an owl. Hai na? That means owl is very intelligent also. So if the owl is very intelligent, so that means the owl is a very important person. I also want to be important. So make me an owl. So apna Gannu Raja said, okay, Palsa, so be it. You be an owl.
One problem is there with the owl because it cannot see in morning.
Yes, very good. Super duper da. So this time, when it became an owl, it started flying in the night. Okay, owls fly in the night and they sleep in the morning, no? But this time, so but our crow is an owl, no? Crow is acting like an owl, hai na? The crow is not originally an owl. So what happened? It tried to fly around in the morning. When it was flying, hush. Then it will go. It cannot see there's a tree standing. It will keep flying. Dush. It will go and dash against the tree. Then there is a building. It will go and dash against the building. It will even go and dash against all the other birds also. So birds also got angry. They said, "What is this? You're Harry Potter owl or what? You can't see anything. Why are you running around in the morning? You go and sleep." But then our crow owl is not able to sleep in the morning. Then in the night, when it's time for all the owls to start flying, at that time our crow owl is able to look around. The crow can see. But what was the problem? The crow was feeling very sleepy.
It was sleepy.
Yeah, the crow was very sleepy.
Because
So
he
again,
isn't the real owl.
yeah, he is not a real owl. So the crow felt very sleepy. So finally, what happened? This time he said, Gannu Raja, please come for one last time to me. Please solve my problem. So Gannu Raja said, okay, now what is your problem? And then the crow said, please, Gannu Raja, I'm very sorry. I don't want to be an owl or a parrot or a tortoise or anything. Make me a crow only. But tell me the secret. How can I make a lot of friends? So then Gannu Raja gave him one small mantra, one small magic word. Okay. And then Gannu Raja finally made him back a super duper crow.
Super duper crow.
Yes. Now you all tell me. I will call out your names. Okay. I will call out your names, and others, whoever want to say, they can type in the chat box. What is that big magic mantra that Gannu Raja told the crow on how to make friends? Think for 2 minutes and then say.
Friends.
Be friends. Okay. Swarnika, what do you think? What was that big mantra, Swarnika?
Be good and be friends.
Be good and be friends.
Make friends.
Make friends, okay?
Smile and be happy.
Smile and be happy. Very nice. So, the big mantra that Gannu Raja said was, always be kind and helpful with everyone. You must help each other and you should be kind. You should not use a bad language or anything. Yes. So finally, they said you should always be very kind and you should not keep being rude to each other. Don't say, hey, what is this? You don't know this much. Hey, what is this? You don't know to eat. Blah, blah, blah. Like that. And don't use bad words. Okay. I'll ask you, what is the moral of this story? Please type it in the chat box. What is the moral of the story? Be happy and helpful. Be happy with what you have. Okay. Do not copy others. Yes. Very good, Meena. Do not copy others. Yes. So when we start copying others, what happens? We will become very unhappy. Okay. You saw, no? How when the crow started copying a peacock, it started falling down. Then when it copied a parrot, it got a stomach ache. Correct? So we should never copy anyone. And don't be greedy. Very nice. Okay. Be kind and helpful, generous. Very nice. Thank you, everyone. Not to use bad words. That's a very important lesson. We must never use any kind of bad words. And all of us are different. Okay. All of us are very different from each other. So we should be happy with whatever we have. Yes, what is your name, my dear Pravina?
Be helpful. Ma'am,
Yes, please.
helpful. We should not fight with our friends.
Yes, thank you very much. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, the moral of the story was be kind and be helpful.
Be kind, be helpful, and be yourself. Bye bye, everyone. See you all in the next class again.